Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna be reviewing my holy grail skincare product, and the product is BHA Blackhead Power Liquid by CosRx. So let's get started. So let's just first talk about the packaging. Packaging is this bottle is a plastic bottle and it comes with a pump, and the consistency of this liquid is very watery. It feels very light on skin, absorbs quickly into your skin, and it gives a shiny, a dewy finish, and yeah, it almost feels like a toner. So coming to the ingredient spotlight section of our video, and the main ingredient that is present in this bottle is salicylic acid, that is BHA, that is beta hydroxy acid. And salicylic acid is the biggest enemy of acne. So what is salicylic acid and which type of acne it is best for? I know it's getting very fancy, but let me make it simple for you. Just be watching. So salicylic acid is oil soluble, so it makes it easier for it to go through that lipid barrier of your skin and go deep down into your pores and cleanse it. Now, does salicylic work on all types of acne? It works best for blackheads and whiteheads, but cystic acne, nope. So how exactly does it get rid of blackheads and whiteheads? As I told you before, salicylic acid will go deep down into your pores and it will remove all the excess sebum and the dead skin cells that are clogged into your pores. It also regulates the sebum production, hence making your face look less oily. And if you have large pores and you use it regularly, it is going to shrink those pores over a period of time. The salicylic acid can also be used as a mild exfoliant, which encourages cell turnover and helps in removing the dead skin cells, thus making your skin look dullness free and texture free. So the coolest thing about this salicylic acid is that it does not sensitize your skin to the harsh and harmful rays of sun, but that does not mean you should not wear sunscreen. You should wear sunscreen every day, and even if you're indoors. So we saw that salicylic acid, which is the main ingredient, has so many benefits attached to it. Now coming to the next ingredient, that is Salix alba willow bark water, which is a natural source of salicylic acid. I would say CosRx is very clever because instead of adding water or mineralized water, they've added this bark water, which is a natural source. So it adds so it gives the added benefit of exfoliation and the cleansing. The next ingredient is niacinamide, and it is the superstar ingredient of this product. And I don't know any other brand which makes which includes niacinamide in its BHA, and BHA and niacinamide works together very efficiently. If you have niacinamide separately and if you're using salicylic acid, do incorporate together in a skincare routine for better results. It's only the BHA by CosRx that has niacinamide also included in it, so that is why I like this one the best. Let's jot down some benefits of niacinamide. It is a lot. It is so beneficial to all skin types. I just think that every skin type should add niacinamide in their skincare routine, and I will be making a different video for niacinamide. So let's just quickly get through the benefits of niacinamide. It is a brightening agent. It is anti-aging. It is anti-acne. It reduces the pore size. It reduces the oiliness of your skin. It is a mild exfoliant as well. It reduces the dark spots on your skin and whatnot. It is so beneficial to your skin, and it is the shakalaka boom boom type of ingredient. The next ingredient is butylene glycol and sodium hyaluronate, which is a moisturizer and a humectant. Humectant is basically the component which attracts the water particles from air and locks it on your skin, making your skin feel moisturized. Next is panthenol, which is a soothing component. So as you can see, this product contains lots of moisturizing and soothing components, which makes it so suitable for sensitive skin. Now when do you use it? You have to use this product twice a week, and you can even use it daily. I use it daily. But if you are a beginner, start by using twice a week only, and don't expect it to show results within a few times of use, because it won't. You have to be consistent with it at least for about 8 to 12 weeks for it to show results. And it is mentioned here like you can use it at daytime too, because as I told before, it does not sensitize your skin to sun. So you can use it but follow up with the SPF. That's all about it for this video. I just hope you like this video. I just hope that you found this video informative enough. Just a request from my side, don't buy random skincare products. What I would say is, first address your issues, what and all issues you have, and study it well, and know the skincare ingredients that are best for those issues, and find those skincare ingredients in your products. I have personally started to look into the ingredient list that goes into my product, and I think you should also do that. Follow for more such skincare product reviews, and I shall see you when I see you. Bye.